Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Ashley, and today we are going to be focusing on my kitchen. I'm going to go ahead and throw my sheets in the washer as well, because I try to start a load of laundry before I start cleaning, just so I feel like something is working with me and I can stay on top of everything. And my sheets really needed to be washed, so I went ahead and did those today while I was tackling my kitchen. If you enjoy these cleaning motivation videos, make sure you subscribe before you leave and hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a video. And we are just going to jump right in and get started.
Can we go back to that place? 'Cause I never wanted you to leave. Looking back on our past, I don't wanna be just another memory. I don't wanna forget, no, and I don't wanna do what's wrong.
The counter in our kitchen is always our problem area. Keeping this space decluttered is a struggle sometimes, but that's what I'm going to go through and do. Just get everything off the counter and put it back in its place so it doesn't feel quite as overwhelming.
I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to the place? Never wanted you to leave. Never wanted you to leave. Oh yeah. I don't wanna be a memory, just another memory. Can we go back? Oh, 'cause I'm looking back. Yeah. I don't wanna be a memory. I can still remember the first time that we kissed. They feel like lights of fire. I don't wanna be a memory. Yeah. Oh, looking back. Yeah, yeah. Looking back. You say you're tired, you don't wanna fight, but I've been wondering if everything's alright. You say you love me, and that's all fine, but it's like I'm missing the passion in your eyes. Am I right? I ain't gonna let it get to me. I will keep it straight, won't make a scene, keep it clean. So just tell me where this goes. Now can you tell me if we're just killing time? Just tell me what you're thinking of. Don't feel right, it's like I want us to go on, but not if we are done. Maybe all we're killing time. Maybe you're trying to be nice. Maybe you got something to hide, but so much better if I knew. We're killing time. We're killing time. Do you think I'm fragile? Can't take a blow? Then let me tell ya, got better things on hold. And in conclusion, if it ain't to be, don't spend a minute worrying about me. I'll be pleased. I ain't gonna let it get to me. I will keep it straight, won't make a scene, keep it clean. So just tell me where this goes. Now can you tell me if we're just killing time? Just tell me what you're thinking of. I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away, no. Yeah. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Oh, make you move before someone takes your place. I know how you feel, but you're scared to say to my face. I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away.
This is definitely one of my favorite things to do when I'm cleaning my kitchen, and that is polishing my sink. I just use the soft scrub cleaner and the lemon scent. It's so satisfying. It's just one of my favorite things to do. I don't know how to explain it. Just seeing it all shiny, it just makes everything look better.
So let's take it from there. Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? I know you want it. Afraid to let it show. You need it, baby. Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? Why don't we let it grow?
I find my rose gold / copper kitchen accessories on Amazon, and I will look for them and link them in the description box because they've all held up pretty well, and I just love the pop of glam that it gives to my kitchen. Everything besides like the little fruit basket, I found that at Walmart for like $4, but I just love the way it looks.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, and you worn out, sweat.
haven't used top sheets for my beds in probably forever. Like since I've been living on my own with my husband, I've just never used like a top sheet. I've always just used fitted sheets. One, because I get super hot at night, and two, because it's just so much easier to make the bed when I only have a comforter. So yeah, I don't know if that's like kind of weird, but I just noticed that like I don't have a top sheet. I only use a fitted sheet just because I've always done that. But let me know, do you have a top sheet? Do you prefer a top sheet or not a top sheet? I feel like I'm alone in this. Y'all, let me know that I'm not.
'Cause you know I cannot say no to you. Feeling like home, but should it be like this? Locked up in your dome, you know I fight for you. But do I? Every time you call my name, what do I? You're whipping me into madness.
I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and got a lot of motivation out of it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.
We can't stop it, so I keep on rolling in silence.